Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Relax.
Why?
Relax.
Is it hot?
It's hot, but I'll give you plates, okay?
Okay.
So that, okay. So. Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? It is about Cookie Sister Cool. We've met again. So if today is the first time watching, I welcome you to the show. Yeah, so in front of me is something simple, very simple thing that can be used as breakfast or also as lunch pack, especially the frontline workers. Yeah, very simple thing, very simple. Okay, so I have some bread over here, some bread. I have wraps like piadini. Okay, I have bacon over here, some 3 slices of bacon. I have 3 eggs. I have some ketchup. I have butter, and I have some mild cheese, cheddar. What's the name? Cheddar. It's a cheese. Yeah. So I have this simple 6 or 7 ingredients that I'll be using to do something amazing. So I'm about to start. So I'll start with the bacon. You know, bacon is a pork meat, and it contains a lot of salt in it. So please don't add any salt to it, okay? So I just put it in like that. Okay. So to generate what we call liquid and oil by itself, because it contains a lot of fat in it. Okay, so there's no need to add oil to it again, as you can see. So the white thing you see in the salt content, that's the white thing that you see. So as I said earlier, there's no need to add salt to it. So this is bacon. As I said earlier, no salt, no oil. Okay, so you can take this salt out. You can take this ones out. Can we pour the water away if it's necessary? Okay, so I'm pouring the water so that the oil can come out. Okay. Yeah, so I'm done with, what do you call it? Is that omelette? Is it
No,
omelette?
it's sandwich.
Ah, sandwich, okay.
Yes.
You love sandwich, huh?
Yeah.
You need to smell so good.
Ah, you want to smell it?
Yeah.
So I'm done with the sandwich, okay, and they are my guests today. So they will be tasting this sandwich. And yeah, so without wasting much time, I'll bring the sandwich or the omelette, to this kit, and yeah, let's do this.
Yeah.
Give me 5. Boza. Okay. Boza. Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Relax.
Why?
Relax.
Is it hot?
It's hot, but I'll give you plates, okay?
Okay.
So that, okay. Your plate,
Thank you.
your plate, your plate. So, hold on, do you want this or that? This is bread. This is, this is like Ferdinand. Do you want
I
that?
want this one.
Okay, you take it yourself.
I want this one.
Can you have it?
Yeah.
So tasty.
Okay, so try it, let me see.
Wait.
Smell it, Dada.
It's not hot.
Eat. I'm coming. You like it?
Yeah.
How is it?
Yeah. Good.
You good? You sure? You like it?
Yes, it's not hot.
It's not hot.
Yeah, try it. See?
It's not hot. Yeah. I should try it. I thought you said I should eat it. Michelle, how is it? Tasty. Wow. Okay, you have one with sandwich. You have some ketchup inside. You have ketchup.